Welcome to Calculus 1 at Blue Mountain Community College. I'm Gary Parker, your teacher this quarter. Let's take a look at the course. All the course materials are in the BMCC Canvas website, and the home page I'm at here for Calculus 1, Math 251. There'll always be some announcements at the top. So I have a couple here, just brief intro, late passes in the textbook. And then otherwise, below on the home page, there's modules for each part. So some course information at the top. Textbooks online, it's free, check it out. There's a link out, and then you can view it online. Jump from chapter to chapter. We officially start in chapter 2. I highly recommend the print book. I have a copy, and just because we spend so much time on the computer these days, it's good to get off the screen for a little while. There is a calendar of due dates in Canvas, and it's not a good example. Let's look at week 1. Anything that's an assignment here, you'll have a due date and how many points it's worth. Now, the due date, January 5th, that's the last day to get it done. So I highly recommend you check out the daily work schedule. That shows when you should start something so that you stay on track. So if you start section 0 on the 4th, then you'll be likely to get it done in time for the deadline on the 5th. If you start section 2.1 on the 5th, you're likely to get it done in time for the deadline on the 6th. But if you always wait till the deadline, the last day to get it done, then you're going to be perpetually behind in this course. Not a good idea. So get ahead early. Some other things here, my weekly calendar, in case you want to track me down to meet. I can do Zoom meetings whenever you like. This class meets Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 9 to 10 if you can join. There's a link to the Zoom meetings. And if you can't make that time, check out the syllabus for my online tutorial hours. YouTube playlist, recordings of all kinds of examples I've done for this class. Chapter 1 is a review. So if it's been a while since you've done some math, more than a quarter, for example, then you should definitely run through some of the homework problems here. And these are links out to the textbook and then more videos. And again, chapter 1 is optional, but there's links to the textbook, things you should know how to do, videos, followed by some practice problems that you can do. Again, chapter 1 is optional. Official homework starts in chapter 2. So this week, week 1, we're going to do section 2.0, 2.1, 2.2. So the first two sections, 0 and 1, are a preview of what Calc 1 and Calc 2 are about. A little hint at Calc 3. And then after that, we jump into what Calc 1 is, which is a study of infinity, starting with limits, and then an idea called derivatives and how to use these derivatives. There's going to be 2 exams, midterms, and 1 final exam at the end of the quarter, and every section set up the same way. There's always going to be a link to the textbook with the main ideas, and then a video page, videos related to the stuff in the textbook. And then once you've checked that out, there's some practice problems to see if you understand it. Now, many of you might be in the habit of just jumping straight to the homework and skipping the book and the videos. If you do that, you're likely not to do that well on this course. So I highly recommend you read the book, check out the videos, and come meet with me once in a while online. So stay in touch, do good math. I'll see you in the near future. Have a great day. Adios. I can get Zoom to stop here, maybe.